Hey happy buddies, today I'll draw Bluey and her friends playing together, full of laughter, adventure, and warm friendship. While we wait for the drawing to finish, let's listen to a joyful story about Bluey, Bingo, and all their friends having a bright, sunny day. Before we start, can you tap the like button like giving Bluey a cheerful paw 5? Yay! Let's begin. The morning sun was shining softly, the air smelled fresh and sweet. Bluey jumped excitedly, let's go out and meet. Bingo followed quickly, with a giggle and a smile. Where are we going, Bluey? She asked all the while. To the park. Bluey shouted, her tail wagging high, let's play with our friends beneath the clear sky. When they reached the park, who did they see? Coco, Indy, and Mackenzie, all full of glee. Hi, Bluey. Coco called, twirling around. I brought my skipping rope, let's bounce off the ground. Can you pretend to skip with Bluey? Hop once, hop twice, let's count to 3. Rusty and Winton were building a fort nearby, stacking sticks and leaves, reaching up to the sky. Mackenzie barked proudly, with the forest guards. While Indy danced softly, pretending to play her cards. Bingo clapped her paws, let's all play together. Bluey nodded fast, yes. It's the best kind of weather. So they made 2 teams, one red and one blue, and began a race. Let's see who can win too. Can you shout, go Bluey go, as loud as you can? Let's cheer for the racers, and wave your hand. Bluey dashed quickly, her paws touching the ground. Bingo ran giggling, spinning all around. Coco tripped softly, but got up with grace. Keep going, shouted Indy, you're still in the race. They jumped over puddles, ran past a tree. Rusty waved proudly, you're as fast as can be. When the race was done, everyone clapped and cheered. Bluey grinned wide, that was fun, she declared. Then they all sat together, sharing their snacks, fruit and biscuits from colorful packs. Mom and Dad watched from under the shade, smiling warmly at the friends they'd made. Can you pretend to eat like Bluey? Nom nom nom, yummy and chewy. After lunch, Bluey had an idea so bright, let's play pretend, from morning till night. Indy became a fairy, flying so high. Coco turned into a butterfly, waving goodbye. Rusty played a hero, saving a toy bear, while Mackenzie barked, watch out, danger's there. Bingo laughed loudly, her joy so pure, she hugged Bluey tightly, you're the best, for sure. As the sun started setting, the sky turned gold, their fun-filled memories, forever to hold. Bluey sat quietly, her tail moving slow, I love my friends, she whispered, more than they know. Can you wave to Bluey now? Let's say together, friends forever, wow. Bingo yawned softly, it's time to go home. Bluey nodded, but tomorrow, we'll roam. They waved to each friend with laughter so bright, see you tomorrow, echoed into the night. And as the stars twinkled, one thing felt true, no adventure's better than one shared with your crew. So always be kind, and laugh like Bluey, too.